Okay guys, this is the tree that I'm just now opening, and it seems that we're gonna have to put them together. Here are your leaves. I'm gonna put them here in the chair. Let's see. Pretty big leaves. Okay. Here are our leaves. But my thing is, how do I put them in? What goes where? And that's bent. I don't know if it's supposed to be bent. Here's the bottom of it. Would you move, sir? Thank you. So we're gonna pull this off, and I have just a simple black pot that they put them in. But see if we got any kind of instructions or anything. Is this it? Okay, I just found something balled up on the floor. Okay, we're gonna have to straighten this out a little bit better so y'all can understand. Okay. Into the trunk by color, from light to dark, from large to small. Okay. Okay, it's giving me steps here. Here are the leaves. So I'm going to try to follow the instructions and see what we got. These are some really nice leaves. Look at the shine on them. It looks so real. Look at that. This is really, really nice. Okay. What I'm going to do as it says, and I will post a picture of the finished product.
Okay, here's the plant. It came in a big long box, very well packed. It does have some stones to put around there, but I just find that the bottom is too small.